Hello and welcome to healthworkersblog. If you've ever struggled with referencing or spent hours trying to get your reference list right, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you a simple online tool that can generate your reference list in seconds, with over 50 different referencing styles available. This will save you time, reduce stress, and help you focus on what really matters, your assignment. Let's get started.
Hello and welcome to this lesson. As my colleague opened earlier, we are going to show you the steps to creating your reference list in a very simple and free process. Firstly, you need a browser, and we encourage you to follow up as we demonstrate on screen. Matthew will take you through the next steps.
The first step is going to your browser of choice and searching for MyBib Harvard or scanning the QR code on screen. You should now have similar screen as you currently see. For a one-time use, you can use what you see, but for a long-term plan, I recommend clicking the blank space on the side or closing the pop-up. Now, you have a page that is ready for your project as you see on your screen. This will be our workspace. You can read the guide and follow through. As you can see, there are many buttons on the page and I recommend you move your mouse over them. This button helps you choose your referencing style of choice. This one is to choose the formatting of the style you have chosen. The important one I want to share with you, which is our next step, is the sign up button. Create an account so that your work is saved as you go. I will give you few seconds to now go through all other icons on the page. Review all and let us begin. Now, we are going to search for some articles online and reference them. This is just an example. You can get yours and practice alongside. We are going to look for articles around mental health research work journal. Now, I am assuming I have read this article and this is what I want to reference in my work. Now, watch what we do next. This is an article by Farf and Jawad. It has a direct link, the DOI here. And the website where the article is hosted also has a URL. We can use either to get our reference. Let us copy the website URL first. Now, back to our referencing tool, we will click on New Reference. And now, paste the URL we have copied from the website URL. Click on Search and check the reference we have just generated. Then, save once you are happy with it. Now, we have our first reference. If you click on the first reference, you will see a guide under it on how to input your in-text citation, and you can even copy it. The icons on the right-hand side provide you with options to edit. To give our work some title, you can rename it so you remember. Now, for the same reference, let us get it using the DOI article link. Copy the link. Paste it into our referencing tool. It may flag as duplicate, but I am simply showing you the alternative way. Let us try another example. Look for a new article and let us reference it. For this journal, I am going to copy the DOI. DOI is copied, and now, I will paste under the Journal tab of our referencing tool after clicking New Reference. You can see here that if you paste the link under Website, it won't work unless it is under the Journal tab. And there we go, we have our second reference. I will encourage you to try one for yourself and see. Now, I am going to show you what we do once done. It is time to download a reference list and insert into our main work. There are so many options, but for this, I will use a copy and paste. Once you copy it, you can paste into any work of your choice. Kudos, we have just generated your reference list.
Welcome back. I hope you have learned something. If you need further support, you can use the comment section, and we will aim to answer as soon as we can. Remember to please engage with our video through likes, subscription, and getting your notifications on. Thank you.